Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, good day today. We're nice and green, holding the studio green. It does look better, doesn't it? It's a much more calming colour. We like it. Okay, fantastic. Well, welcome to the show. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every day, up to 10 hours a day. I'm here to share my trades, my information with you live on the screen. This is my real shares, my real positions, my real money, and I'm sharing it with all of you live on the screen. Okie dokie. Well, let's see how today goes. It's been quite a good day so far. Let's have a look at our positions. Let's go through. This is my main account. My brokerage position, as you can see, the all-time is up, as well as the day. In fact, the day is just very slightly $2.90 red. There you go, just a tiny little bit, but hopefully that will correct itself shortly. 53, our all-time high was 58, so we are starting to come up again, but we have lost a little bit recently. Anyway, let's get straight into our trades and see exactly where we are right now. Okay, here we go. Let's go for all our positions. Here is our overall position. As you can see, we're up, and we're not beating the market at the moment, but we're very close to it. Virgin Galactic is doing pretty good today, up 2.17. Palantir is up today, 0.65. Hurricane party at my house. Oh, dear. I hope... Oh, blimey. That's a bit big. That's because we've changed the resolution again. We are busy changing, and we can't do anything unless it's a live stream. Unfortunately, I have to update these during a live stream. So Zed Hink, your comment went straight over the top there. Let's make it a little bit bigger that way. And can we do it that way? No, it's just that way. Okay, hopefully that'll be about right. We tested a 4K today, and we got a slight issue with the stream. So we've gone back down to Super HD, and we'll wait until our internet improves, then go back up to 4K streaming again. So we've gone back to the normal settings again today. Still Super HD, but just not 4K. We'll look at that again afterwards. I'm important now. Haha, big fonts. Yeah, you were very big. It went right across the screen. Anyway, gold is moving up today. Nice. Hey, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Stephen Lewandowski, welcome. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. Yeah, we're back green again on our main account. Yeah, in the Roth, we're green. Let me bring in the S&P comparison. There we go. Let me share with you. So you can see just a few moments ago, it was actually red, but it's green now. There's the S&P for today. There's my account. We're having a nice rally into the close. Looking great. I would love to get back up to 58 again as soon as possible. That would be very, very nice. That's my all-time high. Mullen has had a bit of a bounce today, but not much. Nothing to shout about. And, of course, the other one, equally just as bad, is FFIE, Faraday. 58% down. Awful. I'm not going to buy it on the way down. I was hoping you would read the lyrics to get a music sample. Ed Spitzer, I have no idea what you mean. I was hoping you'd read the lyrics to get a music sample. Sorry, mate, I'm not with you. Can you remind me of what you mean? I'm not really sure I understand what you mean. Virgin Galactic having a nice rally now, 2.36. It's going up. Yes, I think on vacation in Kissimmee. Wonderful. And yes, he has us on the TV screen as well. Sent in a picture on Discord. My comments before air must not be there. No worries. Okay. Yeah, I don't see the comments on the screen. They're in a different setup. I do see them before, but not the system that I've got set up here. I only get the live comments as the show as I go live. Gold is moving up. Mullen is moving up now. Green at the S&P is moving up today. Amazon's moving up. Yikes, Stephen, your vacation in the hit zone. Better off going back home. I hope you're okay. Stephen, how do you feel? As you all know, I've been in Hurricane Irma, Category 5, and terrifying. Not good at all, but I hope you're okay. It won't get that bad, of course, on land. It's never going to be that bad, but it's still not good though, right? Apple, nice day today, up 0.69. NextEra Energy, today is the ex-dividend date. It didn't rally that much, did it? So we've learned. I was hoping that this stock would rally with the dividend, but at the end of the day, people are not going to buy a stock just for a dividend. But nevertheless, it has had a little bit of a rally in the last week or so. We're up 1.83, but not much. Remember that this stock isn't a huge growth stock. It does provide a dividend, so you're not going to get as much growth with a dividend stock. That's the point of it. But I still feel that energy company like this has a great future. So just keep adding to my position, building it up in relationship to everything else. But anyway, Enphase up today, 0.23. Let's have a look on the week. Still no good. Look on the week or the month. We've had a heck of a run of Enphase, down 53% year to date. So I'm down 24%. So you could argue, it could be a lot worse. Down 56%. I'm down 24 over the year. So a good time to get back in again, I think. Irma was nothing to Ian. Last year. Is that right? I thought Irma was I don't know. I don't think I know I was in it. It was a category 5. Anyway. I live ground zero from Ian, and now we got. Hang on a minute. Yeah, but Zed Hink, hang on a minute. When Irma hit mainland United States, it was downgraded to a 2 and a 3. I was in it in St. Martin when it was a 5. It was 265 mile an hour gusts. 265. So if that had landed like that in Florida, Florida wouldn't be here anymore. It would be completely and utterly gone, like St. Martin was. So when you said Ian was much stronger, you're probably comparing it to when Irma hit mainland USA. I was in the Caribbean. I was there and in St. Martin, but it was 265 gusts, the gust speeds. Anyway, it was terrifying. Sunny, nice and here, going to get some grandkids school, cancel Wednesday and Thursday. They live near the West Coast. Well, we hope you're all going to be safe. Ian was reclassified to 5 as well. Okie doke. Well, anyway. Coca-Cola having a nice day, up 0.31. J&J is down 1.46 now. I'm flat on it at the moment. My Kenview's doing all right. My Kenview's going up. Doesn't show me yet what I'm actually up by, but it will do eventually. It's just not doing it yet. When I spoke to Robinhood, they explained it would take a week or so before it actually updates completely. Anyway. CVX, Chevron is up 0.48. Tesla is down 0.05, only slightly. Rivian, what a day Rivian's had, up 2.35. I'm not in this stock anymore, but still down 17% on it. It's a company that could go bankrupt, so I'm not that keen to buy it. McDonald's down 0.22. Google up 0.88. Microsoft up today. Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, down again. Robinhood's had a good day, up 0.66, 13% up and 21% up respectively. Not too bad, that. Happy with that. IonQ, 329% now if I'd kept my original purchase at $3. Can you believe it? Rocket Labs. I might just keep that one share just for the hell of it to always remind me what I could have had. Should never do that, right? Plug Power is up 2.64. Procter & Gamble is up. Rumble is up. doing much better. Still down massively. Still not in it. Funware going down. Faraday going to zero, I'm sure, just like Mullen. Rio 1.45. Bitcoin today up 0.41, 26,000. Matic is at 1.59, and XRP up 0.25% to 52 cents. There you go. Now then, if you've not seen the new videos we put out this afternoon, I put out a couple of videos. This was what I just put out for you just some moments ago. We put out breaking news every day. There's the news of the day. Go and check that out. If you watch the live show, then you'll hear some of it. But when I put it out, I add lots of content to it and beef it up. And then if you want to know about the experiments with space, where we can see a road to profitability, go and check this one out as well. All right, fantastic. Ed Spitzer, what is the next stock you are considering adding, or would you increase a at the moment, I'm not looking for any new stocks, but I keep my mind open for it. At the moment, my focus is adding to the S&P. I've got enough space. I've got enough EV, even though I've got 22.5 shares of Tesla. I want to get to 50, but I've got to do that in balance with my overall portfolio going up. So I want my S&P now to go up. So my next plan for the rest of this year, remember, I'm always like 3, 4, 5 moves ahead. I know exactly where I want to go, what I want to do. My plan for the rest of this year is quite simple. I want to add to my cash as I bring money in. Add to my cash. I've got 84.73. I want to build the cash up, earning 4.9%. Keep doing that, and not really buying anything. I think the markets are frothy now. We've had a good rally. Just keep buying. Just keep adding cash, waiting for opportunities, building up some interest. At the end of the year, move the money that's in my brokerage account back into my Bank of America, and then bring back into my Roth IRA for a 3% match, instant 3% match. And then from there, I will start buying the S&P again to get that up to about $10,000. Wouldn't mind about $10,000 worth of the S&P. And then that'll take me the next 7-8 months. And then I'll look. And in between, there's going to be some scalp trades of different things, when Virgin Galactic flies or an earnings report or whatever. But that's the general plan for the rest of the year anyway. That's what I'm sticking to. All right. I want to see $60,000 pretty soon. I'd like to see that. I would have to agree. I plan to wait at least 6 months before deciding to invest more. Yeah, I think it's time to build cash now. I've got enough invested. Everything's good. Most things are up. Most things have made some money. Not everything has made money, but Virgin Galactic obviously hasn't made any money, but hopefully it will. And we'll just build a nice position from where we are today. Right. How many have we got watching? It's a very quiet show this afternoon. Has everyone checked out the videos that came out earlier today? Which was financial breaking news every morning and experiments. Now, later on, there's going to be a video on FFIE and Mullen coming out. So look out for that. See what you make of all that. That's coming out shortly. But for now, it's quite a quiet afternoon. We're all preparing now for the FOMC report. Let me just see if I've got the date up yet now on my economic calendar. Let's have a look. Tomorrow will be important. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central, we got the job openings. That'll be an important announcement tomorrow. And we got PCE, PCI as well, of course. That's on Thursday. But then we go into September. Now, let me have a look. What day is the FOMC? might not have it up to that date yet. Wednesday. That's the 14th of September. Thursday, Friday. No, doesn't quite go. I think it's another week and it will show on my calendar, but I think it's the week of the 20th anyway. Pretty sure of that. We shall see how it goes. Let me check Bloomberg for any information coming out this afternoon. Let's have a quick listen. Tumbling. Let's have a look here a minute. Citigroup sees silver lining to Nigerian Angolan currency route. Okay. Stocks advanced to start data-packed week. Yeah, we got a few things coming up this week. The jobs reports, of course. Erdogan, of course, the president or prime minister, I'm not sure which, plans to meet Putin next week to discuss grain deal. That'll be interesting. And Trump's standing dips in the polls taken after debate. There we go. Donald Trump's poll dips a little bit. UK flights have snarled. Everyone heard about this? UK flights, all the radar. What do you call them? Air traffic control is all shut down. A lot of hassle going on there in the United Kingdom. Anyway, that's all the breaking news on Bloomberg right now. If I get anything else on Sky News, I'll bring it to you, but there's nothing really worth sharing at the moment. It's quite quiet today. But yeah, we are looking out for tomorrow. The economic data tomorrow is the job openings, and the consensus that the previous was 9.58 million job openings, and the consensus 9.4. The forecast is 9.5. So we shall see what happens tomorrow and how that affects the market. Let's go through our positions. Do I have a position in Nvidia? No, I don't. No, I don't. I do by the way of the S&P, and when we saw, I think Nvidia is too expensive right now. It's a good company, no doubt about it. Let's have a quick look at it. I liked the earnings report and where it's going, but it's too expensive right now. People are overpaying for it. I don't want to be doing that. Yeah, it's up today. In fact, let's have a little look. Yeah, it fell off its high, came down, but it's very expensive. I'm not going to buy it at this level. But I'm sure it can do well. And if it does well, Amazon will go up, Apple will go up, and so will the S&P with it. So I can have it without fear of a sudden drop. If it does drop, then that's when I think I would buy it. But it's too expensive. It's too expensive. Its price to earnings ratio is absolutely bonkers. This reminds me of when Tesla went to $1,200. Everybody thought it was going to go to 2,000 and then 4,000. It was like, well, hang on a minute, what's everybody doing? 111 times earnings. That's ridiculous. It's got people have got carried away thinking that a chip manufacturer can go on forever, and you'll end up buying it and one day wake up and you'll be down like 60% overnight. I think it's crazy, but people will do it. They'll just keep buying and buying and buying, and the price will keep going up and up and up. Look at it. It reminds me of Tesla. I'm not saying it's not a good company, but it's too rich. Anyway, Palantir just falling back a bit, still green. Everything's green at the moment. Mullen, still 91% down. The S&P, Amazon, Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, slowly coming up. Kenvue, slightly doing better now. Chevron, got 9.5% to go. It pays a decent dividend, but that's all it does. It just pays a dividend and that's it. If you hold it for a long time, then you are going to get a profit on it just by the dividend, but it takes a long time. I'd rather take my money out and do something else, to be honest. I don't have great faith in the future of oil anyway. I've advised my mum to sell her stake in Nvidia, but she's in a brokerage program. Yeah, I mean, sell it now. You've made a good profit. I mean, I don't know where she bought it, but I would say it would be a good idea to take profits from that. I've done that in the past, but I think it's too expensive. Anyway. Looking at Discord, I'm looking out for someone. Hopefully will pop in today. Tesla is red. Let's have a little look. Buckaroony. Let's have a look. Tesla is red today, but we've had a reasonable week though. Up 8.8% this week in the last 7 days. So it's done pretty well. Hey, we got Paddy here from Italy. How are you? Good beginning of the week. Nice to see you. Lovely to see you too. Welcome to you. Thanks for joining us. Good to see you. Rivian just falling back slightly now. McDonald's is still a good buy. Last few weeks, McDonald's has been on a bit of a discount. It's expensive stock, but it always trends upwards long term. Can't pay too much for land, not long term anyway. Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray. I'm still out of this stock. I am very glad I am, because all profits were wiped out. I don't see any point in buying it again. Robinhood, IonQ, Rocket Lab, Plug. I haven't bought any more. Procter & Gamble, Rumble, Funware, FFIE, going back down again. I'm fine, thanks, Martin. I hope the same to you. Thank you very much. Yes, I am well. Lovely to have you here. How is Italy today? Rio Tinto. Oh, Bitcoin. Hello, look at that. Dropping now, 25,935. Let's stand back and look at it. It got as low as 25,6. That's quite a sudden drop. Let's see where it goes. But this week it fell off. Going sideways most of the month now, though. It's low here, 25.1. 17 a year ago. This is where I bought it. I bought it at 15, around about here. This is where I bought it, here. To me, that's the place to buy Bitcoin. But we shall see. 25.9. Let's see how far it goes down today. Hi, everyone, says Paddy. Matic. See how it all follows each other, though? That's the one thing I don't like. Well, to be fair, that is very similar to the stock market as well. If the markets are down, everything will trend down. It's not like, I mean, there's very few things that will go up if everything's going down. It kind of trends that way, but yeah. Yesterday and today, storm here. I'm glad you're okay, though. No one likes being in a storm, right? It's not good. Not good at all. Okay, just half an hour to go before the bell goes. We've got a couple of videos you might enjoy coming out. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and tap the like button. It helps the channel enormously, shares it out to more people, and you're more likely to be suggested and recommended my videos by tapping the like button each time, and also we grow. If you don't like my content, and that's absolutely fine, then hit the down like button and you won't be shown my content anymore, and then we get a more engaged audience and you get the content that you want. So it really does make a difference if you actually like or down like. I don't mind. Don't expect everyone to like what I do. An unusual thing to say, but it's true, isn't it? Okay. Do you feel it helps to know which big investors or institutions are? Yes, I do study that. There's lots of websites that I use for that. But you've got to remember, a lot of that information is manipulated as well. I mean, factually, we can see exactly what institutions have got. That's not manipulation, but it doesn't tell you necessarily a direction of a stock. You don't know what their intentions are, but it's good to know. So the answer to your question, do you feel it helps to know which big investors, institutions are in which companies? To a certain degree. I don't think it guarantees you anything. You know, if you find BlackRock, because we know BlackRock have recently, no, not BlackRock, Vanguard. Vanguard have recently, I think, increased their position in Virgin Galactic by 15%. Sounds great. You think, okay, Vanguard, a good institution with a good solid portfolio, they're buying Virgin Galactic. Great. But then you look at BlackRock and others who have sold their position in Virgin Galactic. So it's not a black and white science. Ed's saying, I absolutely take fake media hype in consideration as well. Yeah, fake information, I mean, it's what drives Mullen up and down. Hype and drama is what drives Tesla up and down with Elon Musk. It certainly affects Bitcoin and crypto. So yeah, it's relevant, but I'm not looking at the day-to-day price. I'm looking at the company. I want to buy great companies. I'm not just interested in buying a stock price. If a stock price goes down, it enables me to buy a discount. I've already decided I wanted it at 10. I'm definitely going to want to buy it at 8. If it goes to 6, I'm definitely going to want to buy it at 6. That's not the same as catching a falling knife and just keep buying the dips. I already know what I want, and I'm buying the company, not the stock price. It's just a different mentality. But you're absolutely right. Fake media, fake news, and all that stuff is worth knowing. Absolutely. You can't have too much information, I don't think. You can have too many stocks, but not too much information. Anyway, what a quiet afternoon we are today. Really, really quiet, isn't it? It's a quiet day. Next Era Energy. I thought Next Era Energy was going to go higher than this, but I think until the FOMC, I think it's the 21st of September. I think we got 3 weeks to go. 20th, 21st, something like that. And I think I'm hoping we're going to get a pause. All right, an update on our competition. Let's have a quick look. Has everyone entered the competition? 15,985. Shall we check? Quiet, depending on where you look at it. Fair enough, says Tizro. Let's refresh the screen. 15,985. 15,985. There we go. All right. Let me welcome our guests on Rumble this afternoon as well. Welcome to all of you. Jamie Bond, bank holiday. Not today, it's not. It's not a bank holiday today. There's Jamie Bond. Why are you saying bank holidays? Bank holiday next Monday, but not today. It's a bank holiday in the UK, though, isn't it? I think it's a bank holiday. I can check that. Let me have a look. On here, I can go to... In fact, I can't see it from here. I thought I could. Is it a bank holiday in the UK today? It's a bank holiday here next week. I know that for a fact. But anyway, there's our guests on Rumble. Welcome to all of you. Let me check Twitch again. Is Twitch running? Because Twitch wasn't running earlier when we were in 4K. Didn't like it. Anyway. Bank holiday in the UK today. Ah, that might explain why it's quieter today then. That might explain why it's quieter today. Yeah. That would explain it. It's a bit quieter, isn't it? J&J coming up nicely. The overall portfolio is green. Thank you, Simon Jones. Appreciate that. Virgin Galactic just dropping off again. Palantir. Gold. Bank holiday Monday in the UK. Darren P. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah. Okay. If you've not yet seen our 2 videos we put out earlier, we put out 2 videos just a few minutes ago. We put out financial breaking news. Every day I do digestible snack news of all the headlines of what's going on, and you might enjoy that. And then I do it live during the show, and then I add to it with its own video. And then I also discuss experiments, which was a Virgin Galactic video. And later on this afternoon, we do have a FFIE and Mullen video coming out. The Brits are quite loud then. The Brits are quite loud. Is that what you're saying? It's a bit quiet. I didn't mean quiet as in shh. I meant quiet as in people. Not so many people because of the bank holiday. Yes, it is. Okay. Ed Spitzer says, oh, behave. Fiscal note, a good buy now. Fiscal note, a good buy now. It's low. Gabriel, thank you very much indeed for your information. Okay. Palantir, it's going down slightly. Gold. Mullen. S&P. Amazon. Apple, doing well. Be lovely. I wonder if we can get to 50. My target was 100 grand this year. I'm not so sure now we're going to do it, but that was my plan. We'd certainly like to see $60,000 this year. I think that's completely doable. But not much more than that. I don't think. I think we've had a good run already. Fiscal Note is one of the smaller AI names. I made money on C3 AI. I was happy with that, but I prefer Amazon for now. That's how I'm buying it. I've trimmed it back quite a lot recently. I took some profits from it. I've trimmed it back, but there it is. Fiscal Note. I've not looked at that one before. Let's go back over to Bloomberg again. Bond market sell-off of risk of further rate hikes. People want to buy trade in their bonds. That's why the markets are rallying a little bit. Chevron LNG plants in Australia to start in September the 7th. Yuan seen tumbling 4% to new low in China sell-off. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be in China stocks. Rum is up 5%, 772. Breaking news. We've just seen rum move. Let's have a little look. Let's go to Rumble. There you go. 4.83, 771 now. Can you believe Erdogan plans to meet Putin next week to discuss the grain deal? Just end the war. Stop bloody fighting. What a waste of sodding time. Like that's going to happen. I thought the war would end this summer. I mean, technically it's still summer. I really thought it would. But we shall see. See if I'm right. In fact, let's do a poll. When do you think the war's going to end? Start a poll. Will the Ukraine war will the Ukraine war end this year? What do you think? Yes, no, or don't know? What do you think? Will the Ukraine war end this year? Yes, no, or don't know? What do you think? Any thoughts on that? Okay, we're looking at some indexes here. We can see the Dow Jones is up 0.5, the S&P is up 0.47, and the Nasdaq is up 0.64. Henrik is here from Denmark. Wonderful to have you. Danaher wins race to acquire UK's Abcam with 224 a share deal. 3M agrees to pay more than 5.5 billion over combat earplugs. So all the markets are green. Look, here he is, Henrik. Bring in the flags. Welcome to you. Welcome, Henrik. Absolutely. Oh, I just realized my flags have got really big. I will sort that out. That's because I changed the resolution. That's the reason. Have to reset the video. Some things you can't do unless you go live. Thanks, Ed. There you go. Henrik from Denmark. Henrik is not a member anymore. Oh no. Didn't Henrik fly the flag for Denmark? We've got to take the flag down. He's no longer a member. That's one of the deals. Oh no, Henrik is not a member anymore. He was a member from Denmark. And he's no longer a member. So we've got to take away the flag of Denmark. We will hold it there until the end of the day, and I will do it at the end. We're always sad to lose members, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Fiscal Gabriel, no, a goodbye now. It's low. Times are tough for sure. Yes, it's a very tough time indeed. Markets are going back up again. Virgin Galactic, Palantir. Hang on a minute. I apologize. I think I'm wrong there. No, I'm right. Sorry. Gold. Aha! We have a guest here. Walberlinerin. I think that's right in saying. Hello to you. Is that German? What nationality are you? Walberlinerin. What I'm assuming German. Is it German? I will welcome you in your language. Just tell me what language you are, what country you're from. Mullin's going down. Henrik, yes, I did have a new credit card, so something must have gone wrong with the payment. I will look into it. Oh, all right. I won't take away. I will leave it. Like I said, we don't do it straight away. Save your flag, Henrik. I'll save your flag. Yes, it's German. Ah, wonderful. We have members from Germany. Let me welcome you in German. We've got a German guest this afternoon. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut, so I have to use this. All right. Welcome from Berlin. Fantastic. Welcome to you. Welcome to our guest today from Berlin in Germany. It's wonderful to have you here. We go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, and we aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. We support charities. Everything you see is real. This is all my shares, all my money. I don't have a bank account. It's all here. I was voted as the world piano man. I'm actually a musician and artist in my TV studio here. And welcome to you and all guests from Germany. Okay, Let me do that in German for our guest this afternoon. Here we go.
Willkommen zu unserem heutigen Gast aus Berlin in Deutschland. Es ist wunderbar, Sie hier zu haben. Wir sind an jedem Handelstag bis zu 10 Stunden am Tag live und unser Ziel ist es, der ehrlichste echte Kanal auf YouTube TV zu sein. Wir unterstützen Wohltätigkeitsorganisationen. Alles, was Sie sehen, ist echt, alle meine Anteile, mein ganzes Geld. Ich habe kein Bankkonto. Es ist alles hier. Ich wurde zum Weltpianisten gewählt. Eigentlich bin ich Musiker und Künstler in meinem Fernsehstudio hier und herzlich willkommen. Sie und alle Gäste aus Deutschland.
There you go. How's the music channel going? It's slowly turning around. Mike, thank you very much. Shall we tell our friends from Germany all about my music channel? Shall we do that? Here is my music channel. I was actually voted as the World Piano Man. Here is my music. I do 14 voices, 7 different languages, and 650 songs. Here is my music channel. This is me doing Elton John in Elton John's jacket, Lion King, Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas Showgirls, and many, many more videos down here as well, if you're interested in checking that out. All right, there we go. Henrik says, let me come back to Henrik right now. Hang on. Henrik, but I'm not sure how to do it, or I can't. You send me the membership link again, Martin. It's on the homepage here. Henrik, that is the membership page there. It's the membership. It's just on the homepage. And you need a browser. Yeah, I'll give you the link to become a member again. If you do it within a few days, I think it's a week or a couple of weeks or whatever it might be, you keep your history, so your badge history as it progresses in time, you keep it as long as you don't let it expire for more than a few weeks. I think it is. I'm not sure exactly the date. Use a browser. That's right. Ed Spitzer, use a browser. And you can use a browser on a mobile device. You just need to use a browser, Chrome or Safari or whatever works best for you. All right. Did you see where Elton John suffered from a fall in his house, but back home now from hospital? I didn't know that. Thank you, Mike, for that news. You always have that news, don't you, on people like that. Anyway, Henrik, there you go. So, got 15 minutes to go. Let me just clear away our German quote there for our guest in Germany this afternoon, Berlin. And let's have a little look. It's one of those times at the moment there's not a lot to talk about. Everything's going silent. I am a news producer. You are. You are the news producer. No question about it. No question about it. And I love it as well. It's really good. Right. We're going up now. Things are starting to go up again, which is nice. Our positions are all doing well. We're in the green again. 53.2. Slowly moving back up again. We got all the way down to 50. So we have to remember we had a really good run up to 58 from about 47, I think it was. Up to 58. We had a heck of a run. And then we've dropped back to around about 50. And now we're up to 53 too. So we're doing all right. We just got to build up our S&P now. We've got enough in solar. We've got enough dividend paying stocks. We've done our transfer from J&J to Kenview. We've got enough in crypto. I've increased my position in crypto with XRP. I've held all my Bitcoin. I've got backing on space at a much lower level. I've got more Tesla than I've ever had before. Started to weight on Tesla. Weight the portfolio to Tesla. That's what I mean. We've got AI with Amazon and Apple, solar, space. We got all the innovative stuff. What we need to do now, though, is start bringing up our S&P. I think that's what I want to do. So, anyway, we're doing well. Things are starting to go up again now. Yeah, Tesla is green again today. Yep, just turned green. I'll refresh it because it's actually green. The chart just hasn't updated, but there you go. Buckaroony. Whoop, whoop. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I am the news producer, Mike says. Thank you for whoever it is tapping the loves. Someone's tapping the loves. I'll tap the 100%. There you go. The 100%. If you can see the 100% going up on the screen, that's me. I'm doing the 100%. All right. And it's a kind of good thing to do. It does get YouTube to share the video out to more people. It actually works when everyone does it. Anyway. I think Mike's doing the loves, right? Okay. We need someone for the confetti, smiley face, and then red face. Okay? We've got the hundreds and we've got the hearts. We need someone smiley face, someone to do confetti, and someone to do red face. Anyway. Tester's coming up quickly. Yeah. I thought we'd get a little rally into the close. I'm pleased that Virgin Galactic seems to finally, maybe, it's hard to tell, but has it bottomed out around this area here? It's too early to tell. We've been consistently coming down. We need a few more weeks of it going along here, and then we could start thinking, have we reached the bottom? It was his French Riviera home. He fell. Oh, dear. There you go. Someone's doing the confetti now. I'll do the 100% again. There we go. 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. And then after this, we do have a couple of videos coming out. We have Mullen and FFIE. So look out for that. Thanks for all of you who watched our latest Rocket Man concert, by the way, on Friday night. It was a good success. It was. I was really quite chuffed. We had a good number in. Our most recent one. Look, it's more views than this. This is always an out of date, but yeah. Thank you very much for those who tuned in on Friday night. Still there if you want to go and check it out on the past live streams. Thank you very much indeed for tuning in. No Ethereum. No Ethereum for me. Not until it goes a lot lower. I've got Bitcoin, XRP, Matic, and then of course I've got my crypto challenge, which is through Sensei Crypto. Yeah, I don't have any Ethereum. Let's have a look. Buckaroony, I increased my Virgin Galactic stock this morning. I felt it's bottomed out. That would be great, wouldn't it? If we finally, got bottom, wouldn't that be brilliant? We certainly hope so. Canoe jumping, 20% in a day. Now, Canoe, Ben, as you know, has a deal with Walmart for its last mile delivery vans. It's an interesting one, but I've got enough exposure to EV through Tesla. I don't need it. Good Friday night. Yes, thanks, Martin. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thanks to all of you that gave me a tip for songs. It was really good. I really have to say I do enjoy the Friday nights. And I want to make it every Friday. I've missed a couple over the last few months, but I really do enjoy them. And, I feel they're growing very slowly, but they are growing. It keeps the music channel alive, no question about that. A wonderful concert on Friday. It was fun. We'll do it again on Friday. All right? Hi, Stephen. Okay, 8 minutes to go. Yes, Friday was good. Nonny was there as well. Yep. If you wasn't there, you missed out. That's what I'm going to say. If you wasn't there, you missed out. Virgin Galactic just going sideways now. It's a quite dull day, if I'm honest. There's not a lot to get excited about. The composer of the hit song, My Boyfriend's Back, has passed. The composer of the hit song, My Boyfriend's Back, has passed. Bob Feldman. See, Mike is always on the news, and we're sorry to hear that, Mike. 83 years of age. Where do you get all this information from? You're always picking up this information like this, aren't you? Yeah. Virgin Galactic, Rocket Lab, Gold, Mullen. Got the Mullen video coming out and the FFI video coming out shortly. Bob Barker also passed. Thank you, Ed Spitzer. Got competition now, Mike. 7 minutes to go before the bell goes. Get ready for it. And look out for the FFIE and Mullen videos later. Next Era Energy. It's all over. It's all over. It is now. Because Next Era Energy is the ex-dividend date. You need to be in today to receive your dividends. Talking of dividends, I'm still not showing up for my J&J dividends. Supposed to be paid on the I think it's August the 7th. It's not showing up yet. The only thing I'm thinking of is because of the exchange. It's not finalized. So I'm hoping, because our friend from the Netherlands said he's getting a dividend on Kenview, and I haven't budgeted for that. That would be an extra bonus for me if that's the case. But anyway, we shall find out. My little alien friend that I know gives me information. My little alien friend. Virgin Galactic has been moving with the market. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic. Yeah. Up 2%. Oh, it's going up again now. Dennis the Menace. Yes, LOL, aliens. Yeah, Mike's got alien friends, you know. Have you not got an alien friend? If you've not got an alien friend, you're missing out. 5 minutes to go. All right. Mullen. Vanguard. S&P. Let me check Bloomberg. Anything to share with everybody. And Natura board approves exploring options for the body shop. Tehran sees progress on prisoner deal with the US. Iran snapshot. European gas jumps as Chevron receives Australia strike notice. European gas jumps as Chevron receives Australia strike notice. All right, let's look at my Chevron. Belarus to expel Russian mercenaries. Let's look at my Chevron, CVX. It's up today, 0.69. I've still got 9.25% to go. Stephen Lewandowski, you're the man to ask. You're the oil man. I bought oil because of you, so it's all your fault. I blame you for everything. Chevron, I bought 7 shares of Chevron. I've been down since I bought it. It's been going sideways forever. I've earned a little bit of dividends from it, but I'm still down $114. You said it would go up in the summer because of oil prices. I've not seen much of it yet. Is there a delay? I mean, it's just been going sideways, look. I mean, it's up 5.6. It's up 5.6 in 3 months. I guess the problem I bought it was I just paid too much. I bought it around about here, right? But it just seems to be going sideways. I mean, I guess we are up slightly, 150 at the beginning of the year. But I mean, it's like, What's your thoughts on this? You're the expert when it comes to oil. Am I going to get any money out of this eventually? What do you think? I'm not really an oil man, an oil investor. I've got to be honest. It doesn't sit with me. But what do you think? J&J ex-dividend date, August the 24th. Payday is September the 6th. Yeah, I've held J&J for a couple of years. So it's not about the ex-dividend date, but September the 6th. I don't know why it's not showing up on my list of dividends to pay out. That's what's weird. The one before that is June the 5th. Yeah. Hello, Niels. Loving the Alien was a great song also. Praying on the market goes end phase has already bottomed. I certainly hope so. Hurricane Oppenheimer fires, prices got up. Hurricane Oppenheimer fires, prices got up. Going up soon. It's going up soon. What, Chevron's going to go up soon? Okay. I'm holding it. I want to sell for a profit. OPEC. Tesla. 2 minutes to go. Everything's going up on the bell. That's nice. That's good. Yeah, some nice rallies here. Walmart. Very good. Okay, here we go. 1 minute to go. Coming up to the 1 minute time. Let's see if we can close up today. Nice little rally, isn't it? So we're doing all right if we look at our positions now. 53.2. We can get back up to that 53. Sorry, not 50. We are at 53. We can get to 54. I start feeling like we're honing in on it. Right. Coming up to the minute. The stock market is a place where the impatient transfers money to be where the impatient transfers money to the patient. That's very, very true. It's a British pub. The Bear and Crown pub opens in Sacramento. It's a British pub. It is the Bear and Crown. Absolutely right. There's loads of pubs in England called the Bear and Crown, the Rose and Crown, the Crown. Loads of them, millions of them, every town. Buffett, you're absolutely right. Okay, here we go. Countdown to ring the Sensei bell. Okay, here we go. Just a few seconds to go. We'll ring the bell. Where are we going to end up this afternoon? Let's have a look. Just a few seconds to go now. The war will end when someone puts... we've got a poll running here. I forgot about this. Will the war in Ukraine end this year? No, says 62%. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I won't post too much and be a spammer. What are you on about, Mike? Oh, right. The war, no, 63% say the war won't end this year. That's a shame. I'm ready for it to end. I'm sick of it. Sick of pointless wasting time. The war will end when someone puts an end to Putin. Yeah. Go on then, Bill. You sort it out, mate. I bet you could sort it out. Go and chase him on your bloody scooter. I won't post too much. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I can't get it to work. I don't know what you're doing wrong, Henrik. Can someone tell Henrik how to become a member? Henrik has been a member before, and he's thinking, I don't know how to do it. I don't know what to do. Henrik, you just need to change the browser. Are you on a phone? If you're trying Safari, just try Chrome. If you're trying Chrome, try Safari, and you will see the link on there. All right. I'll give you the link again. You can do it. We believe in you, Henrik. We believe in you. We know you can do it, Henrik. We know. Try using a computer. Yeah, we know you can do it. Has nothing to do with stock, sorry. Nothing to do with stock. Don't worry about that. Say what you like, mate. Dennis the Menace, the Bell. $80 a barrel soon, 90 to 100 or higher. Watching barrel prices, hurricanes, fires, explosions at the refinery. Flipping heck. Try using a computer, says Ed. Plus OPEC cutting production. So you reckon I'm going to see CVX go up, yeah? That's what you reckon. I'd be great. I'd be happy to make a profit on it. I really would. I really, really would. Anyway. Then I can sell it and buy Tesla. Something far more exciting. Anyway, markets are all up. So let's do day trader of the day. Look out tonight, folks, for the FFIE and the Mullen video. Look out for that. If you've not yet watched it, today's financial breaking news this morning. It's very exciting. I covered lots of exciting things, added some exciting images to spice it all up, and experiments when we go into space for Virgin Galactic. If you've not checked these videos out, go and check them out. Okie dokie. Let me check my Discord. I was looking for a comment in the welcome all. I don't see it just yet. All right, that's it. Time for day trader of the day. Henrik, have you tried setting it Wombo? What is Wombo? Have you tried setting it Wombo? I ain't got a clue what that is. All right, here we go. So I am up 0.51%. I'll take it. All right. You've got a minute to post your scores. Day trader of the day. If you've not yet tapped the like button, please do. It's a very quiet afternoon. Just a few moments ago, when the first person posts, I will put a minute on the clock. I'm up 0.52 now. Virgin Galactic, Palantir, Gold, Mullen, S&P. The war will end when someone puts an end to Putin. That's what Bill said earlier. Let me welcome my guest on Rumble, Jamie Bond. Jamie Bond. Let me put Jamie Bond on the screen. Wonder which stocks will rise when the war ends. Everything will get a 10% rally, Jamie. There's Jamie Bond, look. Yes, I'm in the UK. Welcome to you. Good to have you here. Welcome. Jamie Bond is watching us on Rumble this afternoon. Thank you very much indeed for your support. Jamie, lovely to have you here. All right, here come the scores. Up 0.8, up 3.71. Nonny goes into the lead. Up 4.24. Roth down 0.02. Spell check is horrible at the end. I have read everything. 0.78%. Up 0.49. There's going to be someone with the stones to do it, said Ben. Up 0.66. The winner is definitely Ed Spitzer, up 4.24 today. Congratulations to you. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and let's hear the sound effects. Let's do it. Excellent stuff. Well done. Well done to you. Okay, it's now time to end the show. We've got to get out of here. We should have a little shooting star song. Chidoo-be-doo-wah. Be-doo-be-doo-doo-doo-be-doo-wah. All right, okay, let's wrap up. Let's roll the credits. Time to go. Look out for the premieres. You'll like them for FFIE and Mullen coming out soon. In the meantime, the stars of our show today is nobody. Nothing to say, no super chats, no subscribers, no members. What a load of rubbish. So I'm going to get that off the bloody screen because that's not embarrassing at all. No, rubbish. It happens from time to time. Got to roll with the punches. All right, there we go. All right. Spell check is horrible. Fabinici Blue. Thanks, guys, he said. You're very welcome. Right across my face, Stephen Lewandowski. Look at that. Hey, can you believe it? I'll leave it there now. I'll leave it there just to remind you. Right, that's it from me. It's going to go in a minute. There you go. That's it from me. I'll see you back on the premieres in a few minutes. But I'll see you back in the morning. Things looking good now. Let's hope we can see a pause in a few weeks' time with the Fed and the markets can continue to rally. I'm trying to build up a cash position now for the first time, a significant cash position. I'd like to get about 7 grand. The reason why 7 grand is because then I can transfer that to my Roth IRA at the end of the year and then get a 3% match on it. That's what I want to do. Anyway, bye Martin. See you soon. Bye-bye, Paddy. Thank you for all of you that joined me this afternoon. But that's it from me. We're done. Look out for the premieres. In the meantime, we'll let the music finish because it's what we do. We're professional, right? That's it. Until next time, have a wonderful afternoon. Be good to yourselves. Always take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for